Hi friends! Welcome to Ethan and Emma Daily English. Let's learn English through exciting adventures. Let's go!
Home is where we feel safe. But sometimes, an angry choice can take us to the coldest places. This is the story of Jack, a big mistake, and a lesson about family love. Jack is 15 years old. He lives with his parents and his younger sister, Ella.
Just one more game. Homework is so boring. I want to play all day. Jack, you have a big test today. Did you study? Don't worry, Ella. I am smart. I don't need to study.
Hello? Yes, I am Jack's mother. Oh no, really? The teacher called. Jack failed his test because he did not do his homework.
Jack! Come to the living room right now!
What is it, Dad? I am busy.
You got an F. You lied to us and played games all week.
It is just one bad test. You always yell at me. You don't understand me.
Go to your room and think about your behavior. No games for you.
They don't love me. I have some money. I can live alone.
It is midnight. Jack decides to run away into the dark night.
Jack? Where are you going? Oh no, he is leaving. Mom! Dad! Wake up! Jack took his backpack and ran away.
Oh my God. We must find him immediately.
The train is coming. I will go to a new city.
Jack! Stop! Please don't go!
No, I am not going back. Goodbye.
The train leaves. Jack is now completely on his own.
See? I don't need parents. I have money and food. This is freedom.
Jack is tired. He falls into a deep sleep on the train.
The train has arrived at the final stop. Please exit.
Oh no! I'm here! I have to get off the train!
Wait! Where is my backpack? Oh no! It is still on the train! My money is gone! I am hungry. What should I do now?
I was so stupid. I miss my family.
You look hungry. Here, take some bread. We can share. Thank you. My name is Jack. You are a good friend. Quick! Let's hide inside this big box. It is pouring. It is so cold. I never knew the street was this scary.
That cold night, Jack understands the true value of a warm home.
Jack, wake up. It's morning, Jack. I am not at home. This is real. Let's collect these bottles. We can sell them for food. Making money is really hard. We did it! Now we can buy a big, warm lunch.
Hey guys, give me the money, quickly!
Stop! Don't hurt him! Take the money and leave us alone!
Oh, our money has been robbed.
I'm so tired.
Jack, are you okay? Jack!
Oh, Jack, you are awake. Thank God you are safe.
Mom, Dad, Ella, I am so sorry. I was wrong. I will study hard. Please forgive me.
We love you, son. We are just happy you are home.
Wait, where is Bobby? The boy who saved me on the street? Jack, I'm here. You're finally awake.
Don't worry, Jack. Bobby is here. He is a part of our family now.
Family is about love, sharing, and learning from mistakes. Play fair, study hard, and love your home. Goodbye.